masa kecil pernah kena bully tak kat sekolah ke?
Pernah tapi tak tahu. Kita tak tahu kan dulu.
Serius? You tak tahu you kena bully?
Maknanya this is not physical,
No.
Not physical,
Just I was really cute. Masa saya kecil, I was like, I pernah 98 kg tau. When I was 14.
Masa kecil you 98?
Yeah, 13, 14. My max was when I was 13 or 14 was 98.
Form 1 you 98? Weh, comel sangat tu.
Comel.
I was really cute. I was happy, you know.
It's okay.
And then, but then, you know, girls' school kan kejam.
Yeah.
Kejam kan. So it was kejamnya.
I was wondering juga.
I was like macam
jam.
macam jam is
Was
my
she in the
name.
jam?
Jam is my
Was she
name.
trying to jam? Tadi sekejap. Okay, continue. Yeah.
Faham ke
Yeah,
jam?
jam.
Ya, kejam lah. So macam they will say things like, oh dia tu boleh lah dia pandai menyanyi. Agaknya exercise dia macam ni kot right in front of me. And then some of the orang datang yang macam, and then of course lah kita kan dulu ada cakap-cakap kat school. And then ada nurse datang yang set me down yang cakap nanti kena kencing manis. It wasn't a nice talk lah. Dulu mana peduli perasaan kita kan. Tak boleh ni bila makan donat tu. I remember one suggestion, makan keluarkan tengok balik geli tak nak makan. Macam tu lah nak kurangkan makan.
Kurang asam lah dia.
Sekolah rendah tau. Betul. So I thought this was normal. Okay macam tu lah. So I didn't know. Tak tahu, terima je lah.
Faham?
So that's left a huge scar in me, like body dysmorphia
Emotionally,
forever.